what we have here today, guys. Could be interesting. Let's see. We did not have conditions like that in a while. It is windy. We had few system moved through Gulf of Mexico last few days, so water is dirty. Hoping for some good fishing. What we can expect today is, I always expect pompano. It is October, mid-October. I would expect some drum. They love that dirty water. This is when they show up at the beach. We have one pompano candy purple ready. We're using 4-ounce Sputniks today. It should be enough. Goal is to put a dinner on the table and have a blast here. Have 2 purple pompano candy rigs and 1 off rig with a few different colors. I like to switch it up on 1 or 2 rigs. So there's a little bit of a walk. We gotta walk through the tide pool here. We're gonna place our baits in the first trap right here. 4-ounce Sputnik. All right, this is really close. I'm gonna check this rod. It's very suspicious. Something might be going on over here. Didn't catch a fish in a while. I don't feel much. Now I feel something. What's that? Fish. It's fish. What's that? Red? Yeah, that's a little red. Alright, little redfish are here. This guy is not a keeper. First real fish of the day. Little redfish. Not a keeper. We're gonna release this guy. Make sure Fred doesn't get it. Cool fish. He's already waiting for it. He's not gonna get this one. Alright, fish, go. Alright, we moved about 200-300 feet down the beach. There was nothing going on over there. Let's see if we're gonna have a better luck in our new spot. Sometimes that's all it takes. Oh, there's a fish. What's that? Drum. Wow. Finally. Whew. Might not be a keeper. Well, we just moved into this spot, 13-inch black drum. Hoping we can get bigger ones. I gotta check the other rod over there, but let's keep fishing. Delicious fish when they just keep a size. Oh, sorry buddy, see ya. This guy was deep. I swing that thing way out there. So we gotta place our rods past the bar. I just moved. There was like a cut here, so I stopped. Let's see. Let's try out my luck over here. There is one. There's gotta be more. Yeah, you can barely see the bite. Sputnik is released. That seems like a better fish. Or it comes with tons of weeds on the line. I don't feel the head shakes. These drums can be lazy. Oh, now I feel, oh yeah, he's running a little bit. Doesn't feel like a catfish. Oh, that's another drum. What's that? Another drum. This could be a keeper. Woo. Oh yeah. Same rod, second hit in a new spot. keep a black drum. He's just on the line. Beautiful fish. Let's get this rod back in. That was the only one that's getting hit so far, so let's get it back in. We spread out our rods a little bit more. I didn't even have a chance to get the other rods back in past that bar because this guy hit right away. Just past the bar. This rod is ready to go in. Same thing, let's just send him past the bar. We have something? Or it's just a big surprise. You'll have, look at those weeds. I don't think there is anything. Oh. That was a hit. Oh. What happened? No way. Cut me off? Oh. What was it, a shark? Cut me off. Must have been a shark. I'm gonna put orange crash rig just to have something different out there. This was my pink rig that got smoked by, I believe, was a shark. Stay hooked, stay hooked. Finally a hit. This is the rod I played. Oh, yeah, that's some pulls. Don't be a kitty. Don't be a kitty. Oh, ooh, nice. Had some pulls. He's on the sandbar. Bad place to fight a fish. It's trying to keep the angle right. That's another black drum, I believe. Not sure if that's a keeper or not. Might be close. Might be close. I placed that thing really close. This is on our new rig. Oh, he might be close. Come on, buddy, B14. Looks very similar to the other drum we caught. Oh yeah, he's right on the line. 14. Nice. Another 14 inches drum right on the line on our new orange crash rig. Second keeper. Hopefully some more so we can have a meal for the whole family. Awesome. Well, this wasn't the easiest day. We got on some fish. We got those two keeper black drum. There was a redfish mixed in and all of that, but and some whiting, some other fish too. But for the amount of work that we had to go through to get those fish, it's really tough. This is it for us today, so hope you enjoyed this one, and I will see you at the next one.